Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. So talking about pressure, nor it is good when you take it, neither when you give it. So it will not resolve any problem but make things complicated around you. So it is always good to turn a pressure or some stressful situation to a very pleasant situation which will really help to find a solution. So sharing few things through which you can turn pressure to pleasure. Very first thing I want to talk about when we are under pressure or stressful situation, the responses we give the people around you is really different. So try to give healthy responses when you are in such situation. The people around you might help you to find a solution when you are in such a stressful situation. So the very first thing is try to give healthy responses. So giving healthy responses really help you to turn around the stressful situation to very pleasant situation, and the people around you really feel comfortable. The second thing which I want to talk about is support system. Whenever you are stressed or under pressure, support system really helps. So comment down below and let me know who is your support system when you are stressed or under pressure. Support system might be your family or friends, which really helps when you are stressed or under pressure. Third very important thing which I want to say about when you are stressed or under pressure, it's completely okay to do nothing. When you are stressed out or under pressure, sometimes it's completely okay to do nothing. By that way, you can turn pressure to pleasure. And if you are wondering what to do if you are doing nothing, then you can easily eat peanuts. The next point which I want to talk about is situation-based learning. Whether situation is good or bad, sad or happy, there's always a situation-based learning. Same goes for the situation when you are stressed or under pressure. If you look at the situation in a learning perspective, you can easily turn around the stressful situation to really pleasant situation. The next point which I want to talk about, we feel stressed or under pressure when we commit on lot of things. So when it happens, try to be honest with the other person to whom you have committed. Just being honest, you not only build trust, but you also feel light. And believe it or not, still honesty is the best policy. The last point which I want to talk about, as honesty helps us, in the same way knowing our own limitation helps us to make the stressful situation a really pleasant one. Also, I would like to add one more point here, not only knowing your own limitation but also accepting it. So at the end, I just want to say I really hope you like this video and you can now turn your stressful situation to really pleasant situation. And if you do so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.